Oh boy. Okay, so I am going to natural store where I got the essential oils to see what equipment they have for making sushi. It's like a wild goose chase for everything we do. So hopefully it's just one stop here and we'll be done. But chances are it won't be. This will be one of 9 stops today, I'm sure. That's how it is. Spur of the moment, shooting from the hip. We don't do a lot of planning at all. So this was a suggestion by someone in the comments that they would like to see us do sushi. So we're making sushi. America runs on Dunkin'. America. Oh, so I just went to an Asian market. They had nothing. They only had the rice. They didn't have the equipment. They didn't have fish. They didn't have imitation crab meat. They had nothing. They didn't have nori. It was the weirdest Asian market I've ever been to. So this is my second place I'm going to, of what will eventually be 100. I was in the market. I was able to get some seaweed, nori seaweed, from the coast of Maine, keeping it local. I was able to get the paddle kit and rolling mat and the rice. We're gonna make sushi today. So let's go over what we got. I went and got like this little bamboo thing to wrap it all up. I got the nori seaweed. Ours is from the Maine coast. A paddle for, we have to figure out how to do that. Imitation crab meat, because we're going to make a California roll. Cucumber and avocado. We had to go to the grocery store as well, so that was 3 stores now. Sushi rice. Sriracha, because we're going to do a spicy mayonnaise. It's tuna. This is sushi grade tuna that they had at our grocery store. And then we have a special surprise for you, which we're doing. We're going to do 1 cup of rice. It has to sit for ½ hour. It says rinse out the rice, I was reading the directions there, until water runs clear in a medium saucepan. Soak rinsed rice for 30 minutes prior to cooking. So we're going to start with that stuff. 1 cup. I'm doing it into the strainer. Oh. Okay, so let's check out the rice to see how it's a little bit different there. Tuna was frozen, so I'm thawing it out. Under running water once this is done. Now we have to do this until the water runs clear. I'm collecting the water in a bowl down here so we can see how clear it is. See this channel?
Okay.
Put my finger in there.
That helps.
I guess this is washing away the starch.
Sure.
We'll just set that over here to soak for a ½ hour. So this fella here says that we're gonna make some vinegar to put into the rice. 1 teaspoon of salt, coarse kosher. Oh jeez. Oh my god. Okay, put that right there. 4 tablespoons of a good rice vinegar, and we're going to use Walgreens distilled vinegar.
Okay.
That's what all the professional sushi chefs use. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna stir this up using a measuring spoon. While I'm doing this, I should let you know that over here I doubled our rice because I don't think we had enough. You want to take a shot of that? Stirring action. Okay, I think this is what's happening there.
Get some juju fruits.
This video is brought to you by Dunkin'. America runs on Dunkin' and Juji fruits. It's Juji fruit.
Yeah, juju.
Oh. I thought it was Juju. It's Juju
It's
beans.
juju beans, yeah.
Orange, yellow.
You don't got a black.
Yeah, I think you gave me all the black already. Yeah. Matt wants me to eat the black because he doesn't like the black. He's like, oh, you're going to get black in there. I like that they give the candy shapes.
The shapes don't represent anything.
I mean, that one that kind of looks like a pineapple, but I don't think
That one says Heidi on it. Or
help.
this sushi video has took a turn.
So we still got 12 minutes to wait for the rice, and then we have to cook it, which is going to take another 20 minutes. 30. Should I reveal the surprise? We're going to make a bratwurst. This is a frozen one. Sushi roll. It's going to have pickles and spicy mayonnaise on it. Nori seaweed and white rice. This is going to be a game changer for the sushi world. Doing a little prep work. I'm getting the pot ready for the sushi rice. It's going to take 3 cups of water. I sharpened the knife because you got to have a sharp knife. The guy in the video said,
Don't look at me.
it should be wet.
I don't want any of that.
You want to grab me?
No, I'll have some of that. I forget what kind of fish it actually is.
Mackerel? Peanut butter?
Pollock.
Pollock. I knew it started with a P. Peanut butter's not even a fish. So what's the paddle for?
Smashing the rice down?
The guy in the video didn't say anything about it. So Matt's finished up the hot dog. I think we should put it in the refrigerator to cool it off so it doesn't make a hot sushi roll. Nobody wants a hot sushi roll.
No, that's not a thing.
We'll make a spicy mayonnaise. Upon a time. Oh! That means our rice is done. So we have to cook it. This is 2 cups of rice. Then we're going to put into 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. It says put the rice in there and boil it, man. Now the guy on the video said boil it for 10 minutes and then let it sit for 10 minutes. The bag says boil it for 20 minutes and let it sit for 10 minutes. Matt, what do you think?
Boil it for 15 and set for 10.
Alright, so, and maybe we'll test it at 15 and see if it's done. While that's happening, we're going to make some spicy mayonnaise. I don't know how much you put in.
Just check the same 2 drawers over and over again.
Bring it up! I'll put a little vinegar in here. I told you not to add the vinegar now. Oh, put some more. Look on. Just gotta.
It's not really spicy.
Put some ginger in there. It'd be kind of interesting. Oh, you got cayenne?
Yeah.
Cayenne and ginger.
Sure. Get some of that. No, it's good.
It does taste right.
Yeah.
See how it's boiling?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll boil for 15 minutes. This is our vinegar cutting board. So rub it in. I'm going to cut up a cucumber first.
I eat the scams. I eat them scams.
I guess you would say I'm julienning these, right?
You're doing the little fellas.
On the vinegar cutting board, these kind of taste like pickles.
Vinegar cutting board makes everything better.
Insta pickle. Is that Insta pickle cutting board? You buy it in our online store. Branded Jackson O-Trade Insta pickle cutting board.
It's the cutting board in a bag with vinegar in it.
Hey, cut this. Those strips. It seems pretty sticky. What do you think? Oh, we have to let it sit for 10 minutes, right?
Yeah. That's the rough side?
Yeah, so shiny side down, rice on the rough.
The rice on the rough.
Rice on the rough. And it's been 10 minutes. I mix in the vinegar a little bit at a time. Let's spread it out onto this tray and like, kind of cool it off, okay? I'm just trying to make it all even now. I don't know how thick of a rice layer to put, so. Hey, what do you want to make first?
California.
Okay. California. Do strips of this guy right down the middle. 2. Cucumbers. Avocado.
Okay.
Now we roll this over to just the other side of the filling. Trying to give it a little tension. Continue rolling.
materials. Oh.
You might want to chop that.
Chopper.
Chopper. Rooferton corn. That's for one fan of ours.
Chopper?
You know who you are. Oh,
Pololo.
in half.
Chopper? Mm-hmm.
Avocado. Little spicy sinks.
Gonna be good.
Cucumber in there too.
Sure.
Yeah, that seems probably more right.
Really massaging that rice there.
Yeah, you gotta get in there, boy. Okay. Yeah. Little dots of cheese. Look at that garbage cheese. Okay.
That was just Price is Right song.
I know what it was. That's all I'm doing for avocado, I think. Sometimes. Nuggets?
It looks like sushi.
So in this one we have the tuna, we have the cucumber, and the crab with the spicy.
Looks good.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Is that California roll?
Yeah.
Spicy tuna. Still good. Yeah, definitely get the spiciness.
Alright, hot dog. Sausage. I can taste the smokiness.
Yeah, a little smoky. Not so much cheddar or any of that flavor.
No.
Just mostly smoky.
Mm,
Missing the pickle.
Yeah.
Strangely enough. If there's something you want to see us make, let us know in the comments below. It'd be great if you like this video. Just subscribe down, I think it's over here. Just like over here because this is fun. Share this. More important. We should. Yes, we're trying to get out there a little bit more. We need your help. We're the Jacks of No Trade.